हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एसएस ग्रुप ऑफ एजुकेशन। जैसा कि इससे पहले हमने डिस्टेंस फार्मूला किया था और उससे रिलेटेड एक्सरसाइज की थी, दैट इज़ एक्सरसाइज 7.1। उसके आगे के क्वेश्चंस हैं। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दैट एक्सरसाइज इज, इन अ क्लासरूम 4 फ्रेंड्स आर सीटेड एट द पॉइंट्स ए बी सी डी. Champa and Chameli walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagrees. तो हमें यहाँ पे भी ये वेरीफाई करना है कि देर आर 4 फ्रेंड, दैट इज ए बी सी एंड डी. चंपा चमेली से पूछती है, क्या तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि जो ए बी सी डी है वो स्क्वायर में बैठे हैं? तो चमेली कहती है नहीं. तो आपको ये वेरीफाई करना है कि वेदर दे आर सिटेड इन अ स्क्वायर और नॉट. तो ये वेरीफाई करने के लिए आपको स्क्वायर की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स वेरीफाई करनी पड़ेंगी. एंड यू नो द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ स्क्वायर. द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ स्क्वायर आर द ऑल साइड्स ऑफ द स्क्वायर आर इक्वल and the diagonals are equal. So to find out the distance of all the sides, we have to first find out the coordinates of these 4 points. The coordinates of A is 3, 4 and coordinates of B is 6, 7. To find out the distance of AB, we have to find out the coordinates of AB. तो हमने A और B के coordinates निकाल लिए. The coordinates of A is 3, 4 and coordinates of B is 6, 7. In this, x1 is 3 and x2 is 6 and y1 is 4 and y2 is 7. To find out the distance of AB, we have to find out, first put the formula, that is x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. Now put the values. This is 6 minus 3 का whole square plus 7 minus 4 का whole square, which is equals to 3 का square plus 3 का square, which is equals to 9 plus 9, which is equals to 3 root 2 units. So this is the distance of first side. Now we have to find out the distance of second side, that is BC. To find out the distance of BC, we now find out the coordinates of C. The coordinates of C is 9, 4. Now the coordinates of B is 6, 7 and coordinates of C is 9, 4. In this, x1 is 6, x2 is 9, y1 is 7 and y2 is 4. To find out the distance of BC, first put the formula, that is x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. Put the values. This is 9 minus 6 का whole square plus 4 minus 7 का whole square. So this is 3 का square plus minus 3 का square, which is equals to 9 plus 9. So this is also equal to 3 root 2 units. Now to find out the distance of third side, that is CD, we have to find out the coordinates of D. The coordinates of D are 6, 1. Coordinates of C is 9, 4 and coordinates of D is 6, 1. That is x1 is 9 and x2 is 6. In this, y1 is 4 and y2 is 1. Now to find out the distance of CD, first put the formula, that is x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. Now put the values. So this is 6 minus 9 का whole square plus 1 minus 4 का whole square, which is equals to minus 3 का whole square plus minus 3 का whole square, which is equals to 9 plus 9. This is equals to 3 root 2 units. So these are the 3 sides. Now to find out the fourth side, we know the coordinates of fourth side, that is D and A. The coordinates of D is 6, 1 and coordinates of A is 3, 4. In this, x1 is 6, x2 is 3 and y1 is 1 and y2 is 4. To find out the distance of fourth side, first put the formula, that is x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. Now put the values, 3 minus 6 का whole square plus 4 minus 1 का whole square. तो this is equal to minus 3 का whole square plus 3 का whole square, which is equals to 9 plus 9, which is equals to 3 root 2 units. So the first characteristics of square is verified, that is the all sides of a square are equal, that is 3 root 2 units. But we have to find out the second property of the square, that is diagonals. Now we have to verify whether the diagonals are equal or not. We know the coordinates of diagonals, that is AC. The first diagonal is AC. The coordinates of A is 3, 4 and coordinates of C is 9, 4. In this, x1 is 3, x2 is 9, y1 is 4, y2 is also 4. To find out the distance of diagonal AC, first put the formula, that is x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. Now put the values, that is 9 minus 3 का whole square plus 4 minus 4 का whole square, that is 6 का whole square plus 0 का whole square, which is equals to 36, which is equals to 6 units. So this is the first diagonal. Now find out the second diagonal, that is BD. The coordinates of B is 6, 7 and coordinates of D is 6, 1. In this, x1 is 6 and x2 is also 6, y1 is 7 and y2 is 1. To find out the distance of diagonal BD, first put the formula, that is x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. Put the values, this is 6 minus 6 का whole square plus 1 minus 7 का whole square, तो which is equals to 0 का square plus minus 6 का square, which is equals to 36, which is equals to 6 units. In this, all properties of a square are verified, that the all sides of a square are equal, that is 3 root 2 units, and the distance of two diagonals are also equal, that is 6 units. In this case, all the sides are equal and the diagonals are also equal. मतलब आपके पास दोनों प्रॉपर्टीज वेरीफाई हो गई, तो आपका ABCD seated in a square. Hence, ABCD is a square. So, who is correct? चंपा और चमेली. Therefore, चंपा is correct because चंपा को लग रहा था कि they are seated in a square. So, this is a very simple question. We have to just find out the properties of a square, whether they are verified or not. तो जस्ट फाइंड आउट द प्रॉपर्टीज़. आपको सबसे पहले सारी फिगर्स की प्रॉपर्टीज़ पता होनी चाहिए. अगर आपको प्रॉपर्टीज़ पता होंगी तो आप इजीली अपना क्वेश्चन सोल्व आउट कर सकते हो. नाउ तो दिस इज़ अबाउट द 5th क्वेश्चन. अब हम आपसे मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.